This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Caesar salad dressing with anchovies. Start by gathering anchovies, garlic, egg yolk, Dijon, lemon, olive oil, Parmesan, salt, and pepper. Mash anchovies and garlic to a paste, then whisk in egg yolk and Dijon to form the base. Slowly drizzle in olive oil while whisking to create a silky emulsion. Finish with lemon juice, grated Parmesan, and seasoning to taste before tossing with crisp romaine. Create a stable emulsion by starting with egg yolk and Dijon in a bowl and whisking until smooth. While whisking continuously, add olive oil in a very thin stream to build texture and shine. If the mixture thickens too quickly, pause and continue adding oil slowly until smooth. If the dressing separates, whisk in a small spoon of warm water to rescue it, then adjust lemon and salt to brighten the flavor. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes in any kitchen without worrying about splatters, and it makes a neat gift for food lovers. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust the dressing to taste by balancing salt, lemon, and anchovy intensity incrementally. Grate Parmesan finely and fold it in at the end for savory depth and body. Crush anchovies thoroughly with garlic to avoid fibrous bits and ensure even umami throughout. For a lighter version, substitute half the olive oil with neutral oil while keeping technique the same. Serve chilled or at room temperature with crisp romaine and croutons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.